About this item: acoustic audio 9-piece home speaker 2-way set, 4 HD650 wall speakers, 30 Hz 22 kHz, 9.8 dB, 2 HD6 ceiling speakers, 32 Hz 22 kHz, 9.8 dB, 20-300 W per speaker, 8 OHM, 6.5 woven fiber bulletproof woofers, butyl rubber surrounds, pivoting titanium tweeters, rectangular cutout 7.375 x 10.75, overall 8.875 x 12.25, depth 3, round cutout 7.875, overall 9, depth 3.25, low profile housings, HD6C wall center channel 3-way speaker, 20 to 350 watts, 33 Hz 22 kHz, 2 6.5 woofers, 12 mm soft. Dome tweeter, cutout is 19.25 x 7.5, overall is 20.5 x 8.75, depth 3.25. 2 HDS10 wall passive sub speakers, 20-300 W each, 26HZ200HZ, 10 woofers, cutout is 10.625 x 10.625, overall is 12 x 12, depth is 3.75. These passive subs require a WS1005 sub amp.